Disclaimer: GPT 5.6 Soul was used in the planning stage of this project. Okay, so this is a demo for Sumeru. Sumeru is an MCP aggregator or an MCP funnel, you could call it. And essentially the job of Sumeru is to combine multiple MCPs into a single endpoint. I'm positioning this as a dev tool, but it can really be used with anybody who likes to use MCPs locally. So let's go over how to add an MCP. You just go over here, click on add MCPs, and then you provide your URL right here. And it detects automatically what kind of client is it going to be. Is it going to be a DCR or a non-DCR MCP server? So yeah, this is a non-DCR client, so it requires us to add a client ID and a client secret. If you don't know what that is, you can just click on this button right here to take you to ChatGPT, and it will pre-fill it with whatever information you may require. So there's a pre-filled prompt and you can just paste that in. Alright, for a layman user, you can just go to the marketplace and click on install, like I did for Fathom and Linear. It'll take you to the OAuth signup flow and you'll have these configured right here. Alright, let's see it in action. For the sake of this video, I have already done a test run. So here I told it to essentially use Sumeru, this is cursor by the way, to figure out what my latest meeting was and the participants for that meeting. So it listed the available MCPs, then it listed the tools for the appropriate MCP, in this case Fathom. Then it executed the correct tool to figure out that last meeting was called ngram for ngram, and its participants were me and one of my colleagues. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And it also runs in the background right here, so whenever you close the application, you don't have to keep this in the foreground. It runs in the background, so you don't lose access to your MCP. You can also configure it to run at system startup, so you don't have to start it each time you turn off your PC. Right, that's pretty much it. Thanks.